always say roller coaster yung ride ng buhay ko right now. When you're younger, you go into something really idealistic, diba? Like, I felt like a giant vault just waiting to explode. And you're right, it's been a journey. It's been a lot of ups and downs. I mean, this year, extremes talaga. But, I guess it takes a certain want to be doing your work to be able to go through all of that and still enjoy it. You've seen me grow up, with my mom, and I think I've spoken a lot of times before about life lessons from her. But in general, I think our relationship is becoming stronger as the years go by. It's also learning from each other more than it is talking. If you're lucky to have grown up with parents, there's always something to learn from your parents. I lived abroad for 5 years alone, and that changed a lot because it was a really independent life. So in a way, my family's learned to sort of let me go, but you know that they're always there and they only have the purest intentions for you. So they're always the people that you'd like to trust with all your heart, really. The first time I saw him, it felt like para akong bumalik sa pagkabata, yung talagang we didn't know how to talk to each other kasi yung mga pinag-uusapan namin dati, laro-laro lang. When you don't know how to talk to each other, the best thing is to just do things together because you learn so much from people just doing things. And so we started like that, pero syempre now he's back. I still feel there's a lot of time lost, so there's also a lot of time that we need to have a real relationship again. I was heartbroken kasi. Yung mindset ko parang, it was my first big heartbreak. I mean, every girl, that has been in a relationship has, a first heartbreak. Eh, nagkataon talagang, ewan ko, hinanap ko siya when I was really really broken. I was looking for a father more than I was looking for love. I just felt that I needed to see him. Yun yung parang first step. Yung goal ko was, I just need to see him. So, right then and there, I planned. I was working 3 jobs at that time. I was able to earn some money that month that I used for my trip. Basta nagda-drive lang ako, masaya ako. I like going out of town. I like long drives, sound tripping. Traveling, minsan mawawala ako ng 48 hours. Nasa ibang bansa na pala ako. Spa, ganon. With my cousins na taga-Kainta. Minsan, tugtugan, ganon. Well, Simply Casey did 2 seasons, and that's one of the things I'm so happy about because yung mga guests na nagkikwento about yung normal nilang buhay bago sila naging artista. And I like that Gusto kong malaman kung sino ka talaga. Kasi everyone has a story to tell, and I felt that the guests would come and go. Kahit papano parang nagigising din sila na, oo nga, ito ako. Kasi it's so easy to forget who you are. Every episode changed my life personally.